Welcome to an exhilarating journey where forestry machines break all limits. Join me as we explore the power and superiority of these mighty tools in the timber industry.
So the first thing I want to do is go and dig out a hole where I'm going to be
Kicking off with the Skid Pro tree spade, equipped with a powerful engine that makes tree moving quick and highly efficient. Its refined design not only saves labor, but also ensures a high survival rate for the trees, leading to outstanding success in both planting and timber harvesting operations.
Spotted a Douglas fir that hasn't grown too nicely, and I'm going to move it to. At this point, I've only done maybe half a dozen trees so far. And video is, as I take the spade down, it lifts the machine up. With each spade, the tree is then planted in. I just need to...
Next up is the Timber Pro TL775D feller buncher, equipped with a powerful engine and the Hot Saw Quadco 27B. It effortlessly cuts through large timber quickly and efficiently, delivering exceptional performance in all conditions.
Well, the big chainsaw is now...
Oh no, this is a clear example of the consequences of cutting timber without proper experience. Thanks to its perfect combination, the HWIM 650 forestry mulcher, with its powerful engine, delivers exceptional performance in stump grinding. With its durable design and precision capabilities, this duo easily handles complex tasks in the timber industry. An unforgettable experience when uprooting stumps with a truck, 3/8 cable, and snatch blocks. The process of removing smaller stumps becomes much easier by using a block at the stump and another tree with a block to route to the truck, delivering outstanding efficiency with a powerful engine. With just a handheld chainsaw, powered by a strong engine, it can easily take down massive trees. Its superior power and lightweight design make the job effortless, truly impressive in the field of timber harvesting.
Let's roll!
Oh my gosh, I'm wondering how this car ended up on top of this tree. And here's how he rescued the vehicle. With outstanding creativity, the homemade firewood processor is an amazing piece of farm engineering. Powered by a strong engine, it delivers exceptional performance, quickly cutting, splitting, and processing firewood, saving time and effort in all farm tasks. You can't help but be impressed by this power. The Petzolato PTH 1400 wood grinder, driven by a Caterpillar C18 engine with 800 horsepower, delivers exceptional wood grinding performance, easily handling large wood chunks. Don't be fooled by its simple appearance. The whip-powered pole saw is working tirelessly to cut wood. With its exceptional power, the machine easily handles large wood chunks, delivering high performance and absolute precision in any condition. Nothing can stop its power. The brute force 20-30 CS wood processor, with its powerful engine and circular saw, delivers impressive wood cutting performance. With its durable design, the machine easily handles large logs, saving time and effort, making it the perfect choice for timber harvesting. You definitely wouldn't expect this kind of power. The LKT-81, with its powerful engine, is the ideal machine for hauling wood across the toughest terrains. Whether it's a steep incline or muddy ground, it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. offering outstanding durability. With just a precise maneuver, the truck carrying tons of timber zooms through a challenging, wet curve. Powered by a strong engine, it effortlessly conquers slippery terrain, ensuring that the heavy load is transported safely and efficiently, no matter the difficulty. Oh, it's the first time I've seen horses hauling timber. The sight is truly majestic and full of power. These strong, muscular horses pull large logs across difficult paths, creating an image that is both wild and disciplined, and I can't take my eyes off it. The sight of the Ecolog 590D during its final felling process is truly impressive. With its outstanding power, the machine uses the Kesla 28RH to handle each large log with precision and speed. The powerful engine combined with meticulous cutting techniques makes every task unfold like a flawless performance. Can you imagine this power? The Bandit 21XP chipper is shredding trees with its powerful engine and sharp blades. It effortlessly handles large logs, turning them into mulch in an instant, delivering exceptional efficiency in every task. We see a John Deere 1270G, supported by the powerful T-Winch 10.2, effortlessly conquering a steep slope. Isn't that thrilling? With its exceptional horsepower and impressive hill climbing ability, this machine handles every challenge with ease. The thunderous sound echoes as the first pieces of wood are crushed by the Hargessner boiler. With its exceptional power, the machine effortlessly handles even the toughest logs, turning them into the perfect material for heating systems, delivering high efficiency and energy savings. With its exceptional power, the Halverson HWP 140B wood processor delivers impressive performance in handling firewood. Equipped with a powerful engine, the machine easily cuts and splits large logs, saving time and effort, making it ideal for timber harvesting tasks.